To miss this apartment tomorrow. I know it's not time to say goodbye.
Insane. This is such a crazy feeling. I don't want to get too attached, but I feel like I already am. Feelings so deep, feelings. No saying you like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something that get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something that get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go right, boot up, dee-dee-da-da, boot up. It just won't stop to go bottom, boot up, boot up, dee-dee-da-da, boot up. My heart go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-da. It just won't stop to go. How many ways can I say that I need you, babe?
Guys, so we're at the garden here in Punta, Cana, and we're going to Mascalito, which is a Jamaican Mexican infused restaurant. So let's see what's up with this place.
What to do? Yeah. Ooh, I'll never get over you until I find something that get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, I'll never get over you until I find something that get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go right. Boot up, dee-dee-da-da, boot up. My heart go right. Boot up, dee-dee-da-da. It just won't stop to go right. Boot up, dee-dee-da-da, boot up. My heart go right. Boot up, dee-dee-da-da. It just won't stop to go. Head over heels in love, right in front of you. Ain't gotta look no more, baby. I wanna build this love. Everything you own, you ain't gotta ask for.
So it seems like I came at a late hour. It's a little bit past 9. They're out of stamp and go, which I really wanted. They're out of lobster. They're out of a few things. So I went ahead and just ordered wings and then their version of rasta pasta. So hopefully it's good. They have fresh juices on the menu. I got a mango. It is definitely fresh. Mango is at the bottom. I'm getting chunks of mango. The owners are Jamaican and the chef is Jamaican. So hopefully we can talk to them a little bit when they come back and try to see how this concept came about. I mean, the Dominican Republic is an hour and 15 minutes from Jamaica, so it's not hard to get back to Jamaica, but for a place that speaks a different language, I would love to know the backstory of how they planted roots here and decided to open up a restaurant here. So.
In it, we had a couple properties here for Airbnb purposes. So while we're in the property for Airbnb purposes, me and my girlfriend we wanted to get food, couldn't get no food. So when I travel from Jamaica or Dubai to be here, I had to take chefs. So by taking chefs, I think my priest said, you own your own restaurant.
Yeah.
And then bought, it was a Mexican restaurant, we buy it, so it was at the Jamaican food, Jamaican cuisine.
Right. Very, very smart. Very smart.
Good morning, guys. I'm up and I am ready. And I'm preparing breakfast this morning just to stay inside and do a little bit of work. The little dress haul that I was going to give you guys this morning, that didn't work out. I went to iron the dress and there was something on the face of the iron. I thought it was like the pattern, it was all blue. Turns out somebody ironed something on it, burnt it, and it became like almost liquid. And when I went to iron the dress, I started with this cuff first, which is good. It got all over the cuff. So now I'm gonna have to alter the dress, turn it into a short sleeve, which I wanted to do anyway, and wear the dress like that. So I'm kind of bummed about that. What are you gonna do?
Such a crazy feeling. I don't want to get too attached, but I feel like I already am.
Feelings so deep in feelings. No saying you like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me. Ooh, don't ever get over you until I find someday that get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, don't ever get over you until I find someday that get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go wild. Boot up, beat it up, boot up. My heart go wild. Boot up, beat it up. It just won't stop. It go wild. Boot up, beat it up, boot up. My heart go wild. Boot up, beat it up. It just won't stop. It go. How many ways can I say that I need you, baby? It's true. I think I might die without you. Feel it all over my body.
This avocado was raised with both parents.
Yeah. Don't ever get over you until I find somebody new that get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, don't ever get over you until I find somebody new that get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go wild. Boot up, beat it up, boot up. My heart go wild. Boot up, beat it up. It just won't stop. It go wild. Boot up, beat it up, boot up. My heart go wild. Boot up, beat it up. It just won't stop. It go head over heels in love. Right in front of you, ain't gotta look no more, baby. I wanna build this love. Everything you own, you ain't gotta ask for. You got me boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up. Tell you from the jump, I don't only choose you. Got me boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up. Grab me by the waist, baby, pull me closer. Don't ever get over you until I find somebody new that get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, don't ever get over you until I find somebody new that get me high like you do.
Guys, the idea was to go to the beach after my appointment. I have my beach bag with all my beach belongings, but it's raining. It is raining, so I'm not quite sure what's gonna happen. After my appointment, I'll see what's going on. And then we'll take it from there. I'm so bummed. If I can't go to the beach, I think I'm just gonna still go and get a umbrella and a chair even in the rain. Nobody's ever scared of rain, right? So we're heading there. So after my appointment, I'll see you guys later. Exactly what I wanted. I know. It's a beach. We know. This right here cost me $5. Ooh, baby. There's a party boat at 2:30, but I'm not going on it. I'm just gonna be here with my book. I do have an appointment that I need to go back to, but I don't know, baby. I don't know. I don't know.
You were stupid though.
Yeah.
How's everything going here?
Everything's going good.
You like it, Dominicana?
Oh, yeah, I've been here 4 times. Yeah. Yeah, I've been here 4 times.
Here by yourself or family?
No, I'm here with family, but I left them home. I left them at the resort and I came here.
Just to chill?
Yeah, just to chill, read my book, relax. You know.
Baby, I'm gonna let you lay alone, but I'm not gonna show you anything. But if you need any help, just let me know.
All right, thank you.
Say, what's your name?
Charlene.
Charlene Jose.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, Jose. All right. All right, see you, Jose. Guys, a change. I got braces today. I don't know how I feel about it, but I'm just sitting here in the lagoon. Like I told you guys, there are no animals, no fish, no nothing. The middle of the lagoon is 8 feet. Hey, this wasn't supposed to happen, as a matter of fact. I went to, okay, so on TikTok, I saw this young lady, and she was just like, come with me to get braces or something like that. So I clicked it because I want to know. So she goes on and she just shows her experience with her getting braces. And I was like, this gotta be cosmetic. It gotta be for like trends. It cannot be for real treatment, right? She was kind enough to drop the deets below. I looked up the dental place. I saw that was a real dental place. I said, okay, it's real. And then I saw the doctor and I was like, the doctor's real. And then I decided to WhatsApp. I said, what the hell? I'm just gonna WhatsApp them. Didn't plan to come to Punta Cana at all. No, at all. So I messaged the doctor, and the doctor, the front desk staff says to me, I said, is this cosmetic or is this a real dental treatment? She said, we have a real dentist, a real orthodontist, and these are real treatments. We have real patients and everything. And she said, this is nothing cosmetic, nothing like that. First of all, I use my Dominican chip to converse. And I also use Google Translate to speak in Spanish. Major key. Hold on. So I'm there, I'm conversing with her for the past, 3 months or so. And then it's crazy how things work out. And I know you guys are not gonna believe this. When I woke up in the morning and I decided, okay, where I wanna go. And Punta Cana came up like a, ticket sale. I said, okay, I'm going to Punta Cana at 3 o'clock in the morning. It did not dawn on me about the place I was conversing with 3 months prior. And then when I got here, I started looking for places to eat on TikTok, and I happened to go into some of the places that I saved, and her video was one that I saved. So I rewatched it and I was like, oh, I'm in Punta Cana. So I reached out to them and I was like, hey, I'm here, of course in Spanish and on my Claro chip. If, I want to know what the prices are. What they said the consultation is 2,500 Dominican pesos, which is like, I don't know, $30 or something. And then the treatment for braces is, I had to see it for myself. So I said, when is your orthodontist in? And she's like, she's actually in today. Do you want to come at 11:45? I said, bet. So in the morning, after I did my devotion and everything, and I did my paperwork, I went on the computer and I did a couple of the things that I came here to do. And then the sun was getting hot and I was like, you know what? I need to hit the beach. But something said, you have an appointment at 11:45. So I got ready, I got dressed, I packed my beach bag because that was the next trip after my consult. So I packed my beach bag and I went there. I waited for the doctor a little bit.
They put me in the seat, they evaluate my teeth, and they were like, you're a good candidate for braces because we need to make space to replace these teeth back here, which I'm doing implants. Listen, you know what sold me on her? It's a real dental office. She has her certificate, her degree up, and where she went to dental school and all that. A legitimate office. There are other patients that are there. There are other patients that know her, and she's been taking care of them. She's young and beautiful. That's number one. Number two, she brought me back to the office, and exactly what my doctor told me back home is what she reiterated, and I did not tell her what my doctor said. Everything my doctor told me back home, she also told me. So I decided to go with a quote. And this is not to knock them or anything. It's their hustle, okay? I'm an American. I'm not a Dominican. In Jamaica, you even have places where you go, like adventure parks and like experiences, and they have a Jamaican price and they have an American price. It's just a hustle, right? Is it right? I don't know, but this is not to bash them or anything. So I was there, and she was just like, well, the treatment that I see for you is going to last longer. You don't have to come back to Punta Cana every 3 weeks or 4 weeks. You could come every 6 weeks, and we'll tighten them for you. And you know, and that cost just to tighten your braces is $68. I mean, like, so I said, okay, so what's the cost? So she's trying to sell me these other braces. So because I was texting them on the Claro trip and in Spanish, they thought I was Dominican or from a Spanish country. It's still a little bit more than the girl on TikTok paid, but you can't beat that with a stick. What's in my mouth right now would cost me in America $5,000 to $6,000 to $7,000. No, I would just have scattered teeth for the rest of my life. And everybody that knows me knows I love teeth, and I thought my teeth were nice until I got braces today. I can see what they're talking about. There's a lot of spacing, and over the years, you know, you don't pay attention to your mouth. You don't pay attention to your mouth, and now I am seeing all of what's wrong. I will be coming back every 6 weeks to get them tightened. From my city, it's not very expensive to come to Punta Cana, so I'm good with that. And I've made so many friends here. The young lady that you saw, her name was Lenny. She's my host. She hosts over, I don't know, Airbnbs. So if I need a place to stay overnight, my plan is to fly in the morning on the flight to Punta Cana and be out on the afternoon flight to go back home. But in any case, if there is an emergency and I cannot get back to my city in time, I have people here that I can reach out to and get a place to stay overnight. If not, there's hotels like crazy over on Punta Cana. There's endless amounts of Airbnbs, so I'm not majorly concerned about that. But guys, I tell you, that Claro trip, that Claro trip. Remember, I was in Santo Domingo and I advised you guys, if you're gonna get any services done, that you should get a Claro trip. And that Google Translate is my best friend. My best friend. Because without that, I would have had no proof that I was talking to somebody. She has no idea that I'm in healthcare. I know what these things go for, and I know what's the cost. So, you know, win-win. Right now, they're not hurting me. I literally, when she put the wire on, I literally felt my teeth shift. I was like, oh my God, I'm in for some pain tonight. But right now, I'm comfortable. I had my first meal. I had some bread with avocado and eggs, and it was so uncomfortable because everything got stuck in between the wires. It's a good thing she gave me like a care pack with like floss and wax and a toothbrush and picks and everything that I'm gonna need because it was such an uncomfortable experience to eat. I am going out to a restaurant tonight. I'm going to Jellyfish tonight. I went to the Jamaican restaurant yesterday, the Mescalito. And the guy at Mescalito also gave me a realtor's number. So if you guys are interested in these condos, some of them are very, very inexpensive. It doesn't have to be here. I'm also WhatsApping with a realtor right now, and she's telling me the cost in the area. She says she has better places than City Place. Top this and let me see it. It has to be on the beach. So we're here talking prices, and she says that in the Dominican Republic, banks will give Americans 70% of what the houses cost, or the apartment costs. But it must be complete. You cannot buy like a half-finished one like over here. It has to be complete like these buildings here, and they'll give you 70% of what the apartment is worth, and I guess you got to bring the next 30 or source the next 30. So yeah, that's the story on how I became a metal mouth. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and just gonna enjoy the sunset here in the lagoon. And other people are coming in over here, other people are over here enjoying it, and you just can't beat it. Hey guys, laundry's washing, my hair is about to give up on me, and I'm dressed for dinner tonight. I'm wearing a Fashion Nova number here. Hold on, let me see if I can get it to behave first. It's super, super long, but I'm wearing it. Right? I'm wearing it to dinner. I have shorts underneath, so that's fine. If it drags, it's okay. Right? Isn't it cute? Oh my God, it's cute. The iron here, there was something blue on it, but I thought it was the design of the iron grid. And look. So now I have to wear it broken up. I'm messing you guys up. I have to wear it broken up like this and hope it doesn't embarrass me at the restaurant. I have jewelry on, all gold jewelry, gold slippers. Can you see it? Gold slippers, and this little number. I brought it to Jamaica so many times to wear it, and I couldn't. I'm wearing a black bag today, and yeah, I know I have to tell you guys about this. But I think I did a little story time sitting in the pool today. But yes, I got braces today here in Punta Cana. I have to tell you the story about that. This was not planned, but I'm going to be a brace face for the next year. And I have to be back in Punta Cana every 6 weeks. That's no problem, because I told you guys today that I feel like I'm going to be back. And I don't know, this trip has just been one thing after the other. Not bad, but very smooth. Very like, I don't even know what to call it. Like, I think another eye has opened up for me. I wouldn't say eye, because I'm not talking about a third eye or anything. But whatever I came here for is exactly what I've accomplished. I'm sorry. I saw something that I don't want to see. But whatever I came here for, clarity of mind, getting things done, got done, plus more. So like I said, it's not a bad thing, but definitely a lot of things. So we're going to Jellyfish tonight, and we're going to try their food. It seems like predominantly seafood, and my Uber should be downstairs, so I'm sorry if the noise is going off. It's laundry, so I'm gonna shut all the lights off, all the air conditioning services, and we're gonna go. Okay. I'm honestly going to miss this apartment tomorrow. I know it's not time to say goodbye, but I'm honestly gonna miss it here. It feels like home. It really, really does. It really, really does feel like home. I hope my dress doesn't give me too much of a problem today. I have shorts underneath, so hopefully it's good. I'm just waiting on my Uber. He said the street is blocked. Sir, you're going the wrong way. All right, let me get back to this Uber guy.
We are currently approaching Jellyfish. It's a cute little vibe. Look at this. Oh, these are seashells. Oh my god. Cute. Fresh made mango juice. So good. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I guess it's open for lunch. They have seabeds and cabanas. So beautiful. They do weddings here as well. They do private dinners here. Look at that. The cutest ever. Very well lit. Beautiful. And it's adjacent to a few hotels. Okay, I'm gonna call my Uber to go. But this is Jellyfish Bar and Restaurant here in Punta Cana. That big globe that you see up there are all seashells, and I'll show you the exit going out as well. And these are all seashells. Oh my god, so cute. Bye, Punta Cana. I'll be back. Okay, it was a great couple days of Punta Cana, guys. I'm going through security right there. But you best believe I'm drinking my Pellegrino before I get on. They're not getting this. I need to drink this. So, excuse me. How much are these a bottle, please?
Which one?
These. Punta.
$222.
$222. Guys, I remember I was with one of my companies, and for Christmas one year, they gave us like 200 boxes. My car was full of Don Julio, and I was just walking away giving them around. I had no idea. You could tell I wasn't a drinker. I was giving people Don Julio, like, here, you can have one, you can have one, you can have one. So my sister saw it in my car and said, do you know how much is a bottle of Don Julio? At the time, they were like $150. They're $220 here in Dominican Republic, and I was just giving them away. That's how you know I'm not a drinker at all, by any means. I was giving Don Julio to people like crazy out the back of my car. Yeah, and those were all gifts to, like, you know, our vendors and stuff like that. But a lot of our vendors are Jewish people, and they didn't care to drink. I mean, I know they drink, but they didn't care to drink. So therefore, I just had a whole bunch of Don Julio in my car. Now, I wish I had it.